Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. This problem is coming from USA High School Math Olympiad. The problem says, what is the biggest value of n? Actually, n must be integer, for which this expression n cubed plus 100 divided by n plus 10 must be perfect integer. Okay, so we are looking for the maximum value of n that we can put in this expression, that the whole expression is going to be integer. Okay, so before I go through the problem, I'm going to pause for a few seconds here, and please think about this problem, or pause the video for a few minutes actually, and try to solve the problem first. It's very easy problem. And please support my YouTube channel by subscribing down below here. And if you like the videos, of course, give me a thumb up, please. Okay, let's go and solve the problem. So the easiest way, I believe, I solve by myself is I'm gonna split the numerator so that I can find the factor of n plus 10, which is the term in the denominator, okay, here, to simplify that. Okay, how to do that? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, instead of this 100, I'm gonna say 100 is 1000 minus 900, okay? Or if I can write it down here, so n cubed plus 1000 minus 900, right? So for sure 1000 minus 900 is nothing, just 100 divided by n plus 10. Now, instead of 1000, I'm gonna convert it to 10 cubed, right? I can do that easily. Okay, so let's do another simplification step here. N cubed plus 10 cubed minus 900 divided by n plus 10. Okay, so look at this term, n cubed plus 10 cubed. Okay, we have this relation, I can write it down here, that a cubed plus b cubed is a plus b times a2 minus ab plus b squared. Okay, we have this relation. Or easily you can just divide n cubed, or sorry, a cubed plus b cubed to a plus b, and you come up with this expression here, right? So now this means, like, if a, for us here, and a is like a n cube, a cube is like a n cube, plus b cube is like a 10 cube. Okay, and a plus b is n plus 10, and the rest of the term. So if I do that, it's gonna be n cubed plus 10 cubed can be written as n plus 10, okay, times n squared, minus 10n plus 100, which is 10 squared. Okay, now I'm gonna replace this guy here instead of this term. Okay, and you can see n plus 10 is a common factor with numerator and denominator. So let's do that. So we will have n plus 10 times n squared minus 10 times n plus 100 divided by n plus 10. Okay, also we have another term minus 900. It's going to be minus 900 divided by n plus 10. Okay. This n plus 10, this n plus 10 will cancel each other, and we come up with n squared minus 10 times n plus 100. What else we have? 900 divided by n plus 10. Note that n is integer, right? So we said that n is integer at the beginning, okay? And we are looking for the maximum value of n that makes this term integer as well, okay? So if n is integer, for sure, this term is gonna be integer, right? There is no square root, no division, right? But we should worry about this term here. That's it. So if we try to find n that makes this guy here integer, so integer plus minus integer is going to be for sure integer. So what is the, so now the problem is narrowed down to what is the value of n, integer n, that makes the maximum value of n that makes this guy integer, okay? So for sure n plus 10 must be a factor of 900, right? That's it. And what is gonna be the maximum value of n? So nothing, just n plus 10 is 900, or n is 900 minus 10 is 890. Okay, note that you can find bigger integer n, but for example, let's say, I don't know, n plus 10 is gonna be a factor of twice of 900, which is 1800. But is it acceptable? No, because 900 divided by 1800 is going to be 1 divided by 2. That's fraction. That's not going to be an integer, okay? So the maximum n, integer n, we can find to make the whole term here integer is 890 is a maximum value, okay? Great. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you like it. Thank you.